Good morning to all my dear students. Children, I once again welcome you all to the class. Today, children, we are going to start a new chapter in English grammar, that is chapter number 8, pronouns. So let us begin. Children, today we are going to start chapter number 8, that is pronouns. We have done this in the last class also. What are pronouns, you remember? Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Do you remember, children? These are the words that we use in place of the naming words. He, she, it, I, you, they, we, my, his, her, them. Many more words are also there, children. All these words are called pronouns because they are used in place of names. Now, why do we use pronouns, children? Look here. They help us to stop repeating nouns all the time. Like, see this example, children. Sheila has a pet dog. Sheila goes out for a walk with the dog. Now here Sheila has been used again. So in place of writing Sheila, we can use the pronoun she. Okay? In the first place, the name will be there. Sheila has a pet dog. But again, when you are talking about Sheila, once again when you are speaking about Sheila, there is no need to write Sheila once again. Here you will write, Sheila has a pet dog. She goes out for a walk with the dog. Here she is used for Sheila. Okay, look at the second example. Prabhu bought a new car. Prabhu likes his car. Now here again, the name Prabhu has been used twice. So here we can do one thing. In place of Prabhu, we can write pronoun he. Okay. For the first time when you're talking about Prabhu, that time you will write the name as it is. Prabhu bought a new car. Second time there is no need to repeat the name. You can say he likes his car. So this word he is called the pronoun because it is used in place of the noun Prabhu. Okay, children. So little more we are going to study in this class. Last year I hope you all have understood the topic. Let us continue with some more of pronouns. Okay. Now children, in this class you are going to study about two kinds of pronouns. That is personal pronouns and the second one is possessive pronouns. These two you will study in your this class. Okay. So first let us understand what do we mean by personal pronouns. Okay. Now personal pronouns are those pronouns that are used for persons or things. They are called personal pronouns. Like for example, they are playing football. She is a good girl. I am a boy. Here what are the pronouns? They, she and I. Now children, I have also taught you subject and predicate. Here they, she and I, they are acting as the subject of the sentence. The pronouns I, you, she, he, it, we, they, me, you, him, her, so many are there. It, us, them. They stand for the names of persons or things. We use them in place of persons or things. Persons या things के place पे हम इनको use करते हैं, right? So therefore they are called as personal pronouns. Now there are three kinds of personal pronouns. Okay children? तीन तरह के personal pronouns होते हैं. Let us study what are they. Now the three kinds of personal pronouns are first person, second person, third person. What is the meaning of first person? Let us see. The person speaking is called the first person. जो बात कर रहा होता है उसे first person pronoun कहते हैं. What are the examples? I and me, they are the first person pronouns that is used in singular. And we and us are the first person pronouns in plural form. Okay. Next is second person. The person spoken to is called the second person. You is the second person pronouns which is used in case of both singular and plural form. The person spoken to, जिसको बोला जा रहा है, the listener, that person is called the second person. किसको बोला जा रहा है इंग्लिश में? किसी और को. उसको क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में? You. Both in singular and plural forms, children, we are going to use this word you. Okay? So you comes in second person. Okay? Next is third person pronouns. The person spoken about, the person or thing spoken about, जिसके बारे में बात किया जा रहा है, they come under the third person pronoun. Okay, now look at this, children. He, him, she, her, it. All these they come under singular forms. Okay, and they and them, they are the third person pronouns that is used in plural form. Okay, so you have to remember these, children. Personal pronouns are of three kinds: first person, second person, third person. First person कौन होता है? जो बोल रहा है, the person speaking. Okay, it's called the first person. Like suppose ma'am is talking, अभी I am talking, right? So I is the first person. Or if I say we are talking, so we is the first person pronoun. Second person, the listener, जो सुन रहा है, the person spoken to is called the second person. Okay, and the example is you. And third person pronouns, the person or thing spoken about. And these are the words, these are the pronouns that we use in third person. He, him, she, her, it, they, them. Suppose I give you an example. He is my friend. Suppose I say, he is my friend. Now here, this word he, which person pronoun is this? Is it first person, second person or third person? Look here in this table I have taught you just now that he comes in third person. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? He is your third person pronoun. In the same manner, she is a good girl. So what is she? Which person? If I ask you which personal pronoun is this? First person, second person or third person? Again look here, children. She comes in third person. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? She हो गया third person pronoun. Raju and Shyam are playing. In place of Raju and Shyam, we have used this word they. They are playing. So they is coming. They is a personal pronoun. लेकिन कौन सा person है? First, second or third? How do we know that? Here again see, children. They comes in third person. One more example I am giving you. Suppose I say, I am playing cricket. Suppose I say, I am playing cricket. So here I is pronoun. Yes. But which person is that? I is your first person pronoun. Another example I am giving you. You are a good child. अभी you क्या हो गया? Which person? Second person. Now children, this table you will write in your English grammar copy. Okay. You will write same as I have written. The three kinds of personal pronouns and which pronouns come in first person, second and third. I have written it. So this table will be helpful. Then you can solve the exercises given in your book. Okay. So do it and very neatly you will do. Use your scale for drawing the margins. Okay children. So this way you have an exercise given in your English book. Let us do that. Now based on that concept, children, you have an example. You have an exercise given in your book. I have already done few. Let us see what is the question. Underline the pronouns in these sentences and state whether they are in first, second or third persons. Look at the first one, children. I wash my clothes myself. So first you will underline the pronouns that you see. I, my, myself. And children, all the three will come in first person. Number 2, we brush our teeth daily. So children, we and our, these are the two pronouns we can see. Underline them. And as I told you, we comes in first person pronoun. Even our will come in first person pronoun. Okay. Next is they have a dog. Its tail is very bushy. So underline they and its. And as I told you, they will come in third person pronoun. So here you write down third person. For both, you can write third person. Okay. Number 4, David is a clever boy. I like him. We have two pronouns here, I and him. I is first person pronoun and him is third person pronoun. See, if you remember, him is your third person pronoun. Okay. Next is I like books. They add to our knowledge. So underline I, they and our. So here children, I is first person pronoun, they is third person pronoun and our is also first person pronoun. As I told you, our is first person pronoun. I don't have place here children, so I am writing it here. F means first person. Next is you and I have done our homework. So here you will underline the pronouns you, I and our. Okay. And which person they are in? I told you is second person pronoun. So you write here second person. I and our both are first person pronoun. So for both I have written first person. Okay. Next, we love him very much. We is first person pronoun. Him is third person pronoun. So you write it here. She has finished her swimming class. So she and her both come in third person pronoun. So for both together I have written third person. Next is, did it rain here last night? It comes in third person pronoun children. See, it. Okay. So you will write here third person in the book. Number 10, she told us a story. She, third person. Yes children, you have to remember. And us will come in. See, us will come in first person. Okay. So this way you will do. Now 11 to 15 I have not done. This you do it as homework in your English grammar book. Okay. So this is important children, you do it. And if in case you need this work, I will give you later on to note it down in your English grammar copy. This will be helpful for you to understand the 3 kinds of personal pronouns. Okay. So first you do this exercise in your grammar book, and if you have any doubts in the Google class, you can clear it. And furthermore, we are going to discuss in the next class. Till then children, have a good day. Thank you.